EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend of July 12th and 13th, 2025. This weekend's video forecast is brought to you by the Pitch and Tent Rental Company located in Fogelsville, Pennsylvania, serving the greater Lehigh Valley region and just beyond. If you can't win if you don't put it in, they rent cornhole boards. Keep your mind out of the gutter and think of games for the kids and family whenever you're going to throw a party. From horseshoes and slate quates to cam jam and volleyball, they run it all. Please plan well ahead like a $2 call girl at Sailor's Leave. Pitching a tent takes planning. With no plan, things are likely to fall short of expectations. You can find Pitch a Tent online at pitchatentrentals.com where they can help you with camping adventures, bars and tap trailers to tents, tables, chairs, games, and much more. And they are proud sponsors of the weekend video forecast. Today's going to be almost a carbon copy of what we saw yesterday. Almost, okay? We have this same cold front that was stuck in the middle. In fact, that was in the middle of the week, a little bit further southeast. There's also a kind of a weak disturbance over the region today, and that's very similar to what we saw yesterday with that just a few areas getting into a pop-up shower. In some places, we had one that was over near Mount Pocono, or just north of Mount Pocono yesterday. It's kind of sat there and didn't move for hours, prompting a flash flood warning. So that was kind of unexpected. But, I mean, the rest of the area just had a few pop-ups in central PA, one or two up in northeast PA, and that's pretty much what we're dealing with today as you get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar for Saturday. This is noon Saturday. Moving this forward, you can see, guess what? It's targeting the same areas, over the Poconos and parts of up here by Wilkes-Barre, Scranton, and then back here into central PA for any pop-up activity. The rest of you, nothing. We have a stray shower or storm in the forecast in these entire regions here, but it looks like it's just focusing on those areas here for any pop-up activity, and then that goes away at sunset. This is going to be a 2 to 8 p.m. window for that to occur, and it's one of those deals where you just run for cover and then come back out when it's over and the sun comes back out, and it's not too bad of a Saturday, even if where it is raining here. So this is just going to pop up and move through, and then when we get to Sunday, it's a partly cloudy start to the day on Sunday, and then we have a cold front moving toward the region. Could be some clouds actually on Sunday morning, not partly cloudy start to the day. Will be some clouds in the morning, maybe some morning fog, and then becoming partly cloudy. When we get in the afternoon, there's a cold front approaching, but it's pretty far to the west here. They do have a marginal risk encompassing much of our area. I think they should be dropping that because it's, or at least scaling it back significantly. They have it all the way over to almost the Delaware River, and that's way too far east because all the model guidance is now suggesting this line is going to be very late. This is 5 p.m. on Sunday, and it gets to about Williamsport, Selinsgrove, somewhere in between 8 and midnight. So that's a long, the whole day is dry everywhere before that point. So that might be a little bit much. If we look at Sunday here on the global models, again, the front's all the way back here, so this might just be some activity that comes through during the evening. I just don't think it's going to be that close. We're going over to the high-resolution rapid refresh for that same period we go into on Sunday, and we have the cold front moving toward us. This is 8 p.m. It's not even to Williamsport, just getting into Selinsgrove at this point, getting close to the Harrisburg area, but the day's over by then. So most of you will have a nice dry weekend in the majority of areas. Then, we're talking about after sunset, certainly here in our western areas on Sunday. And then on Saturday, of course, just those pop-up showers and storms that I just mentioned before. Once we get into Monday, I think this cold front is going to finally move to the east. So our eastern areas will be under the gun for scattered showers and thunderstorms afternoon and evening as this front continues eastward. And I do think it gets off the coast by Monday evening. So there could be a little in your eastern areas, anyway, more numerous scattered showers and thunderstorms possible on Monday. The next video forecast I do on Monday morning will cover all the details on that because, this weekend I'm just really focused on right now, and it doesn't look too bad. Okay, once we get to Monday, we have finer details with the NAM 3-kilometer in range, and it'll be that day of. I'll be able to go through all the details of that one with the next video. This will move off the coast then on Tuesday, leading to a sunny to partly cloudy day across the region. Temperatures are going to be hot early to mid next week. We're looking at temperatures on Tuesday getting up in the upper 80s here, 90, and then hanging around 90 on Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday looks like it's a dry day, but then Thursday we'll have this next system coming at us. Could be a late day isolated thunderstorm because this is going to be another one of those situations where it comes through over 2 days. It's actually going to come through on Friday, but as it's approaching Thursday, late Thursday, at least our western areas will have the opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm coming into the forecast. But then Friday, this moves through with scattered showers and thunderstorms and still warm temperatures ahead of that frontal boundary. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there next week. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for this weekend of July 12th and 13th, 2025. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.